Welcome back to Island Life Live. It's time for the people, places, or things that we are either obsessed and or impressed with. I just started this show last night, sis. And I'm already obsessed. It's a show on Hulu called Interior Chinatown. Mm-hmm. It's based on a 2020 novel by the same name, and it stars comedians Jimmy O Yang and Ronny Chieng. Both of them.
Gosh.
Super hilarious.
Hilarious comedians.
Yeah, so it's like a cop show with kung fu. So it's like my two favorite genres.
Cop show with kung fu. That's like Rush Hour.
Yeah,
except like both cops would be Chinese, right?
Yeah, well, they're waiters, but it's you gotta watch them. Oh. I think you'd get obsessed too.
You think so?
I think so. You and Brother Sam would love it. How
Interior Chinatown on Hulu. I'll remember that. Okay, so right now I'm kind of obsessed with this new game of pool, like billiards kind of pool, not swimming pool.
Okay.
Because you don't even need to know how to use a cue stick to play this game. Check this out. So you choose your ball, you place it along the inner edge of the pool table, and then you see that what's in the middle? Right there in the middle is a Roomba.
Oh, yeah.
Now, of course, this particular group decided that they were going to, place wagers and stuff. But you could just do this just for fun. And the Roomba is going to make its way to an edge. And the first ball that the Roomba pushes into any one of the pockets wins.
That looks like so much fun. Who came up with this?
I have no idea, but thank you so much to Beastly One Killer for posting the video, because I think this is brilliant. You don't even have to use a cue stick.
Somebody must have been like drinking or something. Like, don't be goofball, but get the Roomba.
Get the Roomba. my wife, she bought us the Roomba. And the crazy thing about it is that it actually will push it right up to the edge, but because the Roomba is so gentle, it doesn't push the ball into the puka. I'm sorry. I think this is just hilarious.
We actually have one of those. We call her Laverne. Laverne. Not Roomba, but her name is Laverne. So maybe we're going to come up with something like this.
I knew you'd get obsessed about this one too. It's so hilarious.
All right, here's something we're both obsessed with. Monday Munchies with our Ohana at Enjoy Snacks.
Time for Enjoy Snacks. Woo! Yeah. Now, for over 30 years, they've celebrated Hawaii's unique flavors with a wide range of products, which I think we ate every single product in the ranges.
Yes, we did.
Inspired by Hawaii's culture and lifestyle.
Okay, this week it's the Enjoy Dark Chocolate 3D Gummy Pineapple. There, take a look at it right there. Oh, look at that. It's like a, it's 3D, so it's, not just one flat thing, but you see all the ridges in there. It's like a pineapple, and in each box they have 12 premium sweet dark chocolate shaped like pineapples in every one. This box only get 8. But.
Is it because you ate all the other ones?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at these. By the way, if you want,
I am in love with these 3D. But you know what I like to do? I know this is such a pain in the butt, but I like to sit there and I just like to. And I suck off all the chocolate first.
And then she gave me the pineapple part.
And then I give him the gummy. Which is not sanitary, but it's so.
That's how we knew each other a long time. That's why. So, by the way, you can pick these up at Dole Plantation, Long's, Don Quixote, or the Navy Exchange or NEX.
Yep. But here's the cool thing about it, fam, is we want you to be obsessed with Monday Munchies with Enjoy Snacks too. So right now, head to kitv.com/contest and enter to win this amazing prize pack.
Oh, what get inside, sis?
So brother, it has that same exact box that we opened, but it's sealed. So you're going to get all 12 candies, yeah. And it's just got all kinds of other wonderful goodies. They've got more of their gummy apples, just the 3D apples. So this is without the chocolate. And then they also have, their Iso peanuts, the Ninja. This is my favorite one. This is my favorite. This is one with the seaweed on top, that's why. Yep,
and
it's sprinkled with nori.
The wasabi one.
That's the hot one, hot spicy.
So go to our website now, and you can enter to win. And then on Friday, we're gonna announce the lucky winner. So good luck to you. All right, she's enjoying that. We're gonna enjoy some birthdays right after the break as we celebrate the heavenly birthday of a Hawaii television icon. We're talking about Robert Kikawa.
Yes.
That's coming up next.